pedaling through the halls. Battery Creek High School's mobile library Bikemobile is on the move making deliveries. Due to COVID-19 restrictions in the media center, the media specialist decided to bring books to the students.
Because of COVID, we can't have students in the media center unless they're assigned for a class, but just general students cannot come in and check out a book. So what is the point of a library with thousands of books if no one can read them? I knew I had a lot of readers here who'd been missing being able to come into the library, so I think for them it really resonated.
The first time the students saw the Bikemobile, they couldn't believe what they were seeing.
It was amazing. It was fun because of the reactions that I got. Some of them bordered on bewilderment. A lot of kids got their phones out and I ended up on someone's Snapchat story.
The media specialist hops on his bike twice a week, and the students love it when the Bikemobile stops by their classrooms.
I adore it. It makes my day. It makes me so happy, like hearing the little bell in the hallway. It's adorable.
I love to read, and every time he comes here I find something new in there, and I love the variety. I always find some book that looks interesting to me. I love it.
Copeland works hard, making sure the bike is filled with a variety of books students will want to check out.
Each week I try to have a theme. I have tried to put in classics. I've tried to take around a lot of our graphic novels. I've put in award winners, and each time I go around, if it's not what a particular student comes out and likes, I'll say, well then what do you like? Because I can throw it in there and bring it around to you next time. So I've gotten a lot of good suggestions.
The Bikemobile goes around the school every Monday and Friday during lunchtime. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.